What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to add American Express card to Apple Wallet. Now first thing you should do is to simply open American Express application on your phone. Then once you open it, it will jump you to the welcome page. Now you have all the cards that you can choose one of them. So when you tap on one of them, it will show you here some details about the card. Now you have to click on the bottom right corner on the account icon right here. Then it will show you this page. Now you have to scroll down till you find this option right here, add cards to wallets and merchants. Tap on it. After that you have to click on Apple Pay, and now you have to choose which card that you want to select, and now you have to enter your security code. Then click on done below right here. Now click on add to Apple Wallet, and now it will do like processing, and after that it will ask you to do card verification. So you have to send them the email. Then once you send them the email, they will send you a verification code on this email. Once you enter the verification code and click on verify, the card will be activated. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.